Hello all, welcome to Daily Tutorials. So in this video we are going to see how to select a column from the data frame. So in this I am going to create a new session. So here I am giving a name as a column selection. So here we will use a different uh, CSV file this time, not a CSV. We will read a JSON file. Okay, so df is equal to so pd dot read JSON, then we will read this JSON file. So give single quotes, paste it, execute it. So now we will look first 5 rows. So we have three columns like series X and Y, and we will find out the shape of the data frame. So the data frame contains 44 rows and 3 columns. So now I need to select only this column. So how can I do that? So by using data frame square brackets, and you can give the column name. So execute it. So now you will find out the now you will find out the first data frame. So you can also use head to look first 5 rows. So now you can see we have selected one column. Suppose if you want to select another two columns, so like series and X, then we will copy this and paste it here. And we can't directly use as a list kind of thing, so we have to put another square bracket here for a column selection. Okay, so then we have to include the other column name, so I am giving as X. Now I will try to execute it. So now we got two columns, series and X. Suppose if we didn't put this square bracket, I will remove the square bracket and I will execute. Definitely it will throw an error. So that is the issue. So we have to put inside two square brackets. Okay, so that we have to uh, be careful about it. Okay, so now we will look the data types, d types for this data frame. Df dot d types. So now we have two kind of data types. So one is with object, one is with integer, and one is the float. Suppose I need only columns that has number. So for that one we need to use below command like df dot give space, sorry, df dot select d types, and put a parenthesis. Okay, now just put include equal to number. So what this will do, so it will select data types which has number. That means series X and Y are selected. So now we will execute it. Now we'll try to put with, see, we'll put the head. So now you can see x and y are numbers, so integer and float are numbers, so only two columns has been selected. Now we will try the same thing for string also. So instead of include, you can put exclude, so which it won't select the number. Sorry, I made a spelling mistake, it is exclude. So again I'm going to execute. Now you can see series got selected, because series it's like a string, object is string, so series has been selected, which is not a number. So suppose if you want to select in, for example, if you want to select data types, uh, you can create like three different data types. You can create a list, for example. So you can put as include, so you can give it as a float 64 comma int 64. So now you can execute. Now you can see x and y has been selected, because it is a one is float, another one is integer. So then we can, I can put object. Now we can see series also has been selected. So in this case also we can give. So the best way is to use df dot select d types. So that is the one is a common commonly used selection. So and also this also it's up to your, depending upon your application. So that's all about today's videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.